Nokia 5500D. Disassembly and assembly hints. You will need the following tools: a Torx plus size 6 screwdriver, metal tweezers, the SS93 opening tool, the dental pick, a torque driver, a Torx size 6 plus bit, the SRT6, and the SS45 camera removal tool. Unlock and remove the battery cover. Do not turn the battery cover locking screw over 90 degrees. Undo the screws in the order shown. Place the SRT6 between the A cover metal frame and the B cover chassis. Slide the SRT6 along the edge to the middle of the cover. To unlock the A cover metal chassis, lever it out with SRT6 as shown. Do the same on the other side. Separate the parts from each other. Undo the screws in the shown order. Discard the screws. Unlock the A cover chassis. And remove the A cover metal frame. Remove the A cover chassis. Gently open the LCD connector and remove the LCD module chassis. Open the side flex connector. Now remove the engine module. Always use new screws when assembling the unit. Set the torque driver to the torque value of 15 Nm. Tighten the screws in the order shown. Set torque value of 17 Nm for the last two screws. To avoid damaging the plastic threads, first turn the screws slightly left to engage the thread, and then tighten them lightly. Tighten the screws in the order shown.